Hey guys, welcome to Quick Guide. This is Upama Sherpa, and in today's video I'll show you how you can ghost people on SnapMap. In the current world where most people carry GPS enabled smartphones with them everywhere, it's reassuring to find that Snapchat offers ghost mode, a feature that ensures its user an extra level of privacy. Many users of the popular social media app may not be aware of the SnapMap feature. Luckily, Snapchat recognized this potential threat from the get-go and offers several privacy options to keep its user location as private as they like. However, there's a quick and easy way to ghost everyone for those who value their privacy. Ghost mode is a full privacy mode that makes your presence on the SnapMap visible to you alone. No one else can see where you are, not even your Snapchat friends. Now, in order to enable this feature, first you need to go to your Snapchat app on your mobile device. Now, once you open your Snapchat, go to your stories. And once you go to the bottom left corner of the stories, you can see the map icon, tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see my location on the Snapchat map. If you can see a Bitmoji on SnapMap, then it means that you have enabled the location visibility for your friends on Snapchat. Now, if you don't want your friends or you just to see your current location, you can turn it into the ghost mode by tapping on your Snapchat profile icon. Once you're on your Snapchat profile, go to the top right corner and tap onto the settings icon. Scroll down a little bit and here you can see my location option, tap on it. Once you do that, you can see the ghost mode option available here. Tap the toggle next to it in order to enable your ghost mode on SnapMap. Once you have enabled the ghost mode, you need to set the duration for how long you want to remain on ghost mode. So if you tap on until turned off, you will need to repeat these steps to manually turn ghost mode off if you want your friends to be able to see your location. Now if you go back to your stories, you can see a Bitmoji is holding a blue sign, which means that you are not visible to anyone on the map. The stories you have shared on Snap might still show up on the map, but no matter what location settings you choose, your location won't be visible to anyone else on this map once you have turned on the ghost mode. But your friend's location will still be visible to you if they have not enabled the ghost mode on. Your friends will not be notified even if you tap on the Bitmojis. By tapping on the Bitmojis, you can start a chat or see for how long it has been since the location was updated. However, they will know if you view the recent explore activities. This was the easiest way to enable the ghost mode on your SnapMap. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.